Experience Egypt's splendid cultural heritage and its wealth of historic treasures on this journey of a lifetime. While you're exploring, discuss what you're most curious about with the licensed Egyptologist who will accompany you on all excursions. Stand before the colossal statues of Ramses II at Abu Simbel and explore the halls of the remarkable Egyptian Museum, brimming with dazzling antiquities. Ponder the enormity of the Great Pyramid in Giza and relish the bustle of Cairo's Old Bazaar, where bartering is elevated to sport. Take in the natural beauty along the Nile as you cruise past fertile green fields and the arid desert beyond. The wonders of ancient Egypt will beguile you at every turn and leave you with unforgettable memories. Throughout this incredible journey, you'll be in the care of a seasoned professional who manages every detail. Our travel directors deliver unparalleled personal service, and our guests consistently rave about them. The energy and passion of this top-notch team creates a truly extraordinary experience. Knowing that where you stay makes all the difference, we meticulously select every hotel and ship for quality, location, value, and character. Best of all, you'll travel with a small group sized just right for a more individual experience, full of comfortable camaraderie and new friendships. But we also understand the thrill of making your own discoveries. That's why we build in free time, so you can follow your own path. Because we value our solo travelers, many of our trips are specially priced with no single supplement. Just listen to what recent travelers had to say.
This was a trip of a lifetime, and it was made special by our travel director and wonderful Egyptologist.
Our signature itineraries introduce you to iconic cultural sites, natural landmarks, and hidden gems around the world. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.